Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting credentials and a reachable server so devices can talk to APNs and your service. Once enrolled in Apple's program, request an MDM push certificate and install it on your server. This lets you send commands. Make sure your server uses a valid TLS certificate and has a stable public IP. Simultaneously design the enrollment flow, decide authentication, which configuration profiles you'll push, and how devices will be identified. Begin coding the enrollment endpoints and generate sample payloads for testing. Once the server is reachable, implement the MDM protocol endpoints that devices will call. Create the check-in and token exchange flows, and build a secure command queue that persists until devices acknowledge. Integrate APNs, token authentication, and handle push responses and feedback loops. Code profile generation and signing, configuration payloads, restriction payloads, and certificate enrollment using SEP or your CA. Test each command lifecycle with a device simulator or test device, making sure acknowledgements, retries, finish by stress testing enrollment and command delivery under load, and verify APN's feedback and push reliability across networks. Make the server robust. Add rate limiting, detailed logs, secure certificate storage, and admin controls for policy changes. Implement clear device removal and certificate revocation flows so you can recover lost or retired devices. And if something goes wrong, check APN certificate validity and timestamps first. Expired or misconfigured push certificates are the most common failure, so renew and re-upload before deeper debugging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.